Rocky, you're all done.
Great.
Here you are. You take care, okay?
I will.
Say hi to Grandpa.
See ya!
Personal identification through the mobile network will make check-in and immigration procedures instantaneous. Personal preferences sent in advance will allow for better in-flight service.
What about a gift for your grandpa? How about those dried fruits he likes? The store is that way.
Yeah!
With artificial intelligence and GPS capability, the concierge will provide guidance and monitoring so children can travel safely alone.
Children detected. Reducing speed.
Hi, Haruo-san.
Hi, Jennifer.
Oh, are you going out?
Yep. To see a waterfall with my grandson.
Oh.
I'll show you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Mr. Tanigawa?
Hiroki!
Grandpa!
Great!
Hey!
How are ya? Look. Who's that?
Is this my dad? He looks like me.
You look just like him.
Yeah, do I?
Looks like you got there okay.
Ah, that's great.
How's your leg?
No problem. You think Hokusai came this way too?
Possibly.
Come on, Grandpa! There it is! The waterfall!
Hey, watch your step.